So guys, showing you one more video I came on the Rayyan channel, and like you too, I have told you. So from now we are solving only one question in one video, okay? And in today's video we are solving a 598 question by the name of range addition 2. So yeah, we are solving this question, and this is an easy one question which we are solving and in the Python 3. So now let's move to computer scale. Let's start to solve this question. But I want to tell you one more thing. Now I have created a one WhatsApp channel, and the name of that WhatsApp channel is like my channel name is Rayyan. So my WhatsApp channel name is also has been Rayyan. So go and search and follow my WhatsApp channel. Go and please follow it. And I have also officially created a LinkedIn. So please go and follow my LinkedIn profile. And I am active on LinkedIn. Not I have created a Facebook, Instagram, but I'm not active. In the LinkedIn I have active. Okay, so please, if you have any query and anything, so come on my LinkedIn and please message me. Okay, so anyways, let's move to computer screen and let's start to solve this question, this amazing question. And in that question there are some of the topics are included, and let me tell you the name of that topic. There are two topics by the name of array and math. So yeah, we are in today's solving video there are only two topics. So now let's move to computer screen, let's start to solve this question. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start with today's video, and like I've told you in my today's LeetCode cam video, I'm telling you we are solving question number 598 by the name of range addition 2. So now first of all we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say, then we'll be solve it. Okay, now it has been given me an mx and matrix M which is lies with all zeros and an array of operations OPS, where OPS square bracket I and equals to the square bracket I AB means M square bracket X square bracket Y should be incremented by 1 for all 0 less than equals to X less than A and 0 less than equals to Y less than B. We want to count and return the number of maximum integers in the matrix after performing all the operations. Okay, what is our task? Let me tell you our task. We want to count and return the number of maximum integers in the matrix after performing all the operations. This is our task in today's video. So it has been given me example one. It is one first diagram in which if you see this diagram, here he written down 0 0 0. Here you can see it. Here he written down 0 0 0. Okay, in this first diagram here you can see it. And then if you see the second one, here in these two line, in the first line of two boxes, here he written down 1 1 1, and then in the second two line, if you see the second two line, here he also wrote in down in the first two boxes 1 1 1. And then if you see the third box, in which he wrote in down in the first line of two boxes, here he wrote in down 2 2 2, and then in the second box, in the second line of two box, here he wrote in down 2 2 2, and in the all the line there is 1 1. If you see here the input in which m equals to 3 and then n equals to 3, then OPS is 2 2 and 3 3, and this type of our input will become. Okay, here you will see here, and the output M becoming 4. Here you can see it. Why the output M becoming 4? Because the maximum integer is M in M is 2, and there are 4 of it in M. So we want to return 4. That's why. If you see the example 2, there is not any explanation in diagram. Just let me read it for you. Here he wrote in down M equals to 3, and then N equals to 3. He get one M variable in which he wrote down 3, and then n variable in which he wrote down 3, and then here he wrote down OPS in which he wrote 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 3 comma 3 3 comma 3 like this, and the output M incoming 4. In the case 1 our output will become 4, in the case 2 our also output will become 4. If you see the case 3, in which he created an integer variable by the name of M in which he wrote down 3, and integer variable by the name of N which he wrote down 3, and here he created an OPS in which he only written down square bracket, and the output M coming 9. There are three cases. In first case our output will become 4, In the second case, our also output will become 2, and the case 3 our also output will becoming 9. And these are the constraints, 4 constraints which you see. So if you understand the question, what is the question is trying to say is we want to count and return the number of maximum integers in the matrix after performing all the operations. So let's try to solve in the Python 3 this question. It is an easy one question, and in this question there are some of the topics are included like array and math. And total 2,06,000 people have submitted it only, and 1,18,000 has been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 57.3%. So now let's start to solve it. So what we're gonna do now, first of all, here we are solving this question in the Python like I've told you. So first of all, if you do not, if you are seeing my video till here, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So first of all, we define a class of a solution, and then we define a def keyword in which I define max count, self comma n, and m is our integer, so we write here int, and n is our and our n variable is also an integer, so we write here int, and then we write ops, and then list int, and then minus greater than int, perfect, and semicolon. Then we define here if statement not ops, then we return m multiply by n here, perfect. Then here we write exit. Okay, now here I am exited. Now when I do this all the things, so if first of all in the first line here I define one comment, here I define a class of a solution because it is rule of LeetCode camp. In every question, first of all, you want to define a class of a solution. Okay, now where I define in the comment, so now we write here min semicolon a, then equals to min, then j equals to for j, okay, for j in ops, and then close your rounded brackets. Min b, now same thing you have written, then min j1, define for j in ops, perfect. Then when we do this all the thing, then we want to return min a and min b, perfect. Now we have written about all the code, so now the last thing is to run this code. So now let's run the code. So when I run this code, so let's see the running code. So the running code has been, let's see, and now it has been accepted. In our case, when our expected output is 4 and mouse output coming 4. In the case 2, the expected output is 4 and mouse output has been coming 4. In the case 3, the expected output is 9, mouse output has been coming 9. And last thing is to submit this code. So when I submit this code, let's see the submission code as well as. So when I submit this code, so the submission code is also be correct, and I beat 100% people. So let's paste the solution. Now easy solution beats 100.0% in Python 3. For more explanation, visit Rayyan. Perfect, and then I'm posted. So now here we solve a 501 more question. Here we have solved it very easily, yes, and in today's video we solve a question number 598 by the name of range addition 2. And I told you one more thing else, if you do not follow my WhatsApp channel yet, so go and follow it. My WhatsApp channel name is Rayyan. Okay, so go and view my WhatsApp channel and follow me there, and follow me on my LinkedIn also. The LinkedIn links will be in description, and LinkedIn is very important for you because if you have any query or any questions, so go and message me on my LinkedIn, because in the LinkedIn I am active. Okay, so please go and follow me on my LinkedIn. So now, but anyways, in today's video we solve this question, and this is my profile by the name of Rayyan. So go and view my profile. Okay, so this is my profile, and I have post means whenever I solve any question, so I will be post that solution here. Okay, so you can go and view that solutions also. Here you can see I have posted many solutions here. Here you can see many solutions I have posted here already. So now, but anyways, let's meet in the next solving video. Next video I'm making solving video. In the next video we solve our question number 599 by the name of minimum index sum of two lists. And I not solve 597 question because let me show you, it is unlock. Here you can see subscribe to unlock means we will be pay first of all we want to pay a monthly or yearly amount, then we will be solve this question. Okay, because we had not solved this question because this question is also has been come in the interview questions, so that's why. But anyways, let's meet in the next lesson, next very amazing like that type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.